Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking Settings General iPad Storage so you know what's using space. This view shows large apps, photos, and system storage. Once done, offload unused apps to free app data while keeping documents, and delete big message attachments. The Messages section often hides gigabytes. Make sure to back up to iCloud or your computer before removing anything important. That way you can restore if you change your mind. These first steps set a safe baseline for deeper cleaning. Next, target media and app storage where most bloat lives. Enable Optimize iPad storage so full-resolution photos move to iCloud while device copies shrink, then run a duplicate photo sweep. Once done, open files and remove old downloads and large documents. Inspect app-specific folders for hidden caches. If an app still occupies too much space, uninstall and reinstall it to clear cache. This resets local storage without harming account data. These actions reclaim large chunks of space efficiently. For final steps, restart your iPad to let the system recalculate storage, and then recheck Settings General iPad Storage to confirm the space you reclaimed. Make sure to empty recently deleted in Photos and Messages to finalize removals. If system storage remains unusually high, try Reset All Settings as a non-destructive fix. Only proceed to erase and restore from backup if problems persist. If you still see no improvement, contact Apple support. Corrupted files or a software bug may need expert help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.